Dance marathon programs are happening all around the nation, so there are over 250 dance marathon programs, but we're really given the opportunity to do something unique.
I can't think of a better opportunity to help all of the people around me than being involved with Soonerthon on campus.
Soonerthon unifies this community, this city, and this state more than anything that I've ever seen.
I love CAC Soonerthon for the person that it's developed me to be today, but I love CAC Soonerthon even more for the thousands of lives that OU as a campus is changing for years and years to come.
On behalf of Campus Activities Council Soonerthon, thank you to the University of Oklahoma and its supporters for helping us make miracles for the children of Oklahoma every single day.